Na. Then. Ayan. Gagawa kami ng mas kabilawa? Pancake. Ano?
Muffin.
Muffins. Then. Ayan. The ketchup. Yung banana. Lagay mo banana. Lagay. Then. Banana. You put the banana.
Oh.
Yan. Oh, what is that, Dane? Anong ginagawa natin? Edi, pancake. What's that? Pancake? No. What?
Muffin.
Muffins. Edi, yogurt muffins. What?
Find muffin later.
Kinakain yung... Dane. Anong kinakain mo? Kinakain na niya, oh. Hindi pa luto. Ayan, yung muffins namin. Banana muffins. Come on. Ayan. Tukinik no. That two there. That two. Then, kunin. Siya din. Oh, you put that one? Yan. Ayan si Ding. Magaling. Ano daw? No. Siya din.
Muffin what?
Muffin. Siya din. Ayan.
I can't make.